have you not, or have you heard, you're being referred to by the Attorney General, all of you, as rogue employees?
Yes, sir.
What was your reaction when you heard that allegation?
It was hurtful.
Why? Tell me.
Sorry. I worked for the state for 8 years as a public servant, as one who values.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
Yes. Thank you. As one who values the commitment to public service, to set an example for my kids, the people that I worked with, the people that I managed, and it's contrary, the statement of being rogue is contrary to the years that I dedicated my life to the state.
How did you become familiar with Nate Paul?
Well, as I mentioned, the first time that I had heard the name was connected to the open records request that was pending at the agency, the Office of the Attorney General, involving the Department of Public Safety.
And did you learn what the issue was about this open records request?
Yes, I did.
And what was the issue?
The Department of Public Safety had received a request for public information. Under the Public Information Act, agencies that desired to withhold information for a valid purpose have to ask for the Attorney General's ruling on withholding information within 10 days. The Department of Public Safety had requested a ruling from the Attorney General's office on whether it could withhold information under the law enforcement exception to disclosure. So in other words, if there is information in the request that qualifies as law enforcement information that is not required to be disclosed, the agency is requesting the Office of the Attorney General to make that determination so that that information can be withheld.
At the time that you began to have awareness of Nate Paul, how would you describe your sense of loyalty and support of the Attorney General?
It was my understanding that General Paxton had met personally with Nate Paul. He considered what had happened to Nate Paul to be wrong, and he wanted us to find a way to help Nate Paul.